Imagine I'm using these lights with red, green, and blue all working together. This looks white to my eyes, but when it gets reflected off of the objects around me, the ratio
of the city, Andrew Ryan, as various slogans cry out against his control over them. Turns out that even someone promising complete freedom to being able to completely sculpt and shape the body and face of humans to whatever he wished them to look like. This caused him to start luring in women with promises of making them beautiful.
One of them showed this huge new installation beneath ground. Another showed off the bubble shield, and my mouth was wet with anticipation after watching these. These are the most powerful earbuds in the history of man. Every sound is Raycon sound, because what happens in your ear matters.
Manual.
I'm sorry for your loss. I'm sure you are, Sergeant. Private Mitchell, you were Will's best friend.
Being removed, we find the 4 screw terminals mounted to a circuit board. These braided copper wires are carrying current from...
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
You underestimate the power of the dark side.
Don't try it!
Oh, jeez, you having to tow a van.
Those deaths at Malachor within you, and it has left a hole.
Oh, great.
Became a Sith Lord. She was known as Darth Treya. The name Kreia is not random. It is a collection of several parts of what she called herself.
If you were watching before the Halo 1 stuff, and just amazing the instant increase.
Could you have
in
moved any
fidelity
slower?
between these.
Okay.
The audience should barely even be able to keep up with it. And some people might say that this is a battle of honor, and that's why Blue Team and Osiris don't intervene, except
with some neat tricks up its sleeves, but its lengthy development time caused it to be released after video cassette recorders. If Laserdisc had been available, say
Okay,
in
what the fuck are you
1970,
doing?
I know.
What? Okay. Ooh, fancy.
Fun, but they only actually pull the tape with force when fast-forwarding or rewinding. Otherwise, they simply serve to spool the tape and keep it taut, with the capstan doing the real work. So let's go back to...
It was. And that's by no means Obsidian's fault. I touched on this earlier, but on release, a lot of issues came out.